Welcome to this Vim course. I'm creating this course for people who have no experience using Vim. Before we start, I want to be honest with you. Vim can run on Windows, Mac, and Linux. But to follow this course, I recommend to do it on Linux, because I have never used Vim on other systems. So I can't tell whether everything we're going to be doing with Vim is going to work the same way as on Linux. You don't have to completely change to Linux. You can create a virtual machine using a software like VirtualBox and install any Linux distro you want. If you are new to Linux, I recommend to start with Ubuntu. I leave the link to the installation instructions. So that's it for this video. In the next video, we're going to start using Vim and learn the basic modes you need to know to start editing. So see you there.